Hi guys, good morning. This is Shrikant. Today I will explain about data colors conditional formatting. Okay, this is new feature. Okay, click clustered column chart and select columns, names and next sales. And next go to x-axis and select the x-axis color and text I'm increasing my x-axis font size and next select y-axis and I'm increasing my y-axis font size. Okay, and select the black color and next go to data colors and click advanced controls. Okay, see this based on value we select sum sales. See the summarization, you select the sum and next to default formatting as 0. Okay, and next to click minimum, go to minimum value, click lowest value drop down and select the number and type here 0 and next to you go to maximum and see this is the highest value. Click this drop down, it's automatically showing number and select to 500 and go to and next click this down arrow and go to custom color. See this, next click OK. See this now automatically applied conditional formatting data labels. Okay, and next go to title and select font color white and background color you select green, orange color and this is alignment. Click this center alignment and increase. Okay, and next go to background and next you apply background, go to you select custom any color and increase this transparency and next go to border and see this is down arrow, you click this down arrow and select orange color. See this, now I am applying conditional formatting